On average, a car is used 5% of the time, spending the rest 95% parked. Parking is the biggest land use, but vehicles continue to outnumber existing parking spaces. Minimum parking requirements make developers build 1.2 parking lots per each resident. In business development, beauty shops require 3 spaces per beautician, and shopping centers must have 1 space per 1,000 square feet. Bigger centers require bigger parking around them. Parking is believed to be free, but this is us, residents and buyers of goods and services, who pay for free parking, whether we own a car or not. In the cities, to comply with the minimum parking requirements, developers are forced to build underground parking, which increases housing prices. In the suburbs, developers are not required to build parking underground, as they use land around houses. It leads to more land being taken for housing and parking. All of the above encourage cities and suburbs to sprawl further. To connect the city with its suburbs, the government invests in building the roads and launching public transport with continuously high costs of maintenance. As a result, urban infrastructure sprawls significantly, and it has to be paid from taxpayers' pockets. Public transport operating in suburbs is not always reliable and convenient, and residents buy cars to drive to work. Cars flowing from suburbs to the city during rush hours create heavy traffic and congestion. Once commuters reach the city center, they are unable to find a parking spot. Cruising around, they waste hours and produce large amounts of CO2 emissions. It creates a vicious cycle where the environment gets negatively affected at each stage.